Today I'm going to be doing this engine air filter on this 2014 Kia Soul, and this guy is the same from 2014. This is a second generation, so it's the same from 14 up to 2019. Same exact deal. If you have a car in the second generation model, we're going to reach down here. We have a little clip here that flips down here, and now there are these tabs right on the back here. So what you have to do is lift up and pull out a little, and then that will free this up to get to the filter. And just so you can see, that's what those little tabs look like down there, right there. That guy just needs to go out that way to be free and to be able to get in there. Then you just reach in, grab this guy out of here. Now, one thing I like to do is put a mark on the filter. This one's actually just been replaced, but I'll put the date on the filter so I know when it's been done. Then you go, this black plastic side goes down and it fits in there in the area flush. Then when we go to put this back on, we are going to go, let me show you over here, these back tabs right here, those will fit in. Those will fit in first, and it's hooked in back here, and then you'll push down and secure your latches here. Oh, there we go. And if you don't have it all the way in, these will not want to clip. So kind of wiggle it around, make sure that it's all the way in, and then clip those two guys. Make sure our clips back here are in all the way. And that's that tab. Get a little more light on it. That hooks into right there, and then over here on the other side as well. And that's all the way on and secure, and that's how you do an engine air filter on a Kia Soul. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. There's a link in the description for the new air filter, and we'll see you next time.